Checklist. A checklist is a list of things you must do or have. From home page, go to Act, click on Checklist, then My Checklist. To add a checklist, click on Add, enter the checklist name. Add the description. After adding the description, select the process. Next, select the type of checklist. There are various types of checklists like process, case, and role-based. After selecting the type of checklist, select the department. Here you can select one or more departments at a time. Later, select the KPI. Add the task here. Enter the task name. After entering the task name, choose subtasks. Here, enter the subtask. To delete, click on Inactivate. To set the frequency, click on this icon. Now set the frequency. If it's daily, select once or multiple times. If it's multiple times, select how many times. Then enter the start time and end time. If it's weekly, select number of days or what are the days. Start time and end time. If it's monthly, select the months. After selecting, start time and end time. If it's quarterly, select the trigger date and start time and end time. If it's half yearly, select the trigger date, start time and end time. Similarly, if you want to custom the date, using Quick Link you can customize the trigger date. If annually, trigger the date, start time and end time. After setting the frequency, you choose, click on Save to save the frequency that is set here. The frequency is set successfully. Now click on Assign User and select the department and the Assign to Person. After selecting, to save the data, click on Save. It is assigned successfully. To set forms, click on this icon. Fill in the required details and click on Save. To assign KPI, click on this icon, select the department, the KPI, and click on Save. If you want to reassign the users, click on this icon. Make the required changes. After making the required changes, click on Save. The users are reassigned successfully. Finally, click on Save to save the checklist. The checklist is saved successfully. You can see the bot here. To view the checklist, click on this icon. You can see the checklist here. To delete the checklist, click on this Inactivate button. The checklist will be inactivated successfully. To transfer the checklist, click on this icon. Select the transfer user you want to and click on Submit. You can search for the checklist here. You can also see the checklist in normal format rather than the bot format here. You can export it to Excel, or using filters you can filter the checklist here like checklist type, starting date, end date, department name or the username, and apply to find the checklist. To clear, click on Clear. The filters are cleared.